Hello and welcome to Rarer Hot Wheels How To and episode 56. This evening I'm going to attempt to remove some permanent marker from a 1965 Mustang convertible that I picked up at a car boot sale recently. And this is one of quite a few cars that were defaced in the same sort of way, absolutely blacked out with a permanent marker pen. So this is my attempt at cleaning the thing up. I hope you learned something. I hope I learned something. Let's have a look and see how I did it. So to do this, what I'm going to do is use some isopropyl alcohol, which I've got here. There we go. You can see it there, 99% pure alcohol, and hopefully it will dissolve the permanent marker that has been drawn all over this Mustang. I've tried with WD-40 and it worked to a certain extent, but that used about £5 worth of WD-40 and took about 2 hours, and that makes it very expensive to try and restore something that's not really worth anything. So I happen to have this isopropyl alcohol hanging around, so hopefully we'll be able to get the ink off. Let's see. The car's now in the jar that I can seal to stop the alcohol evaporating. I'm just going to pop some in and cover the car over completely. Oh, look at that, it's working straight away. Hopefully the tampons will stay put on there. Let's fill it right up. Look at that. Now there we go, guys. This is the way to remove the ink that has been drawn onto a car. Well, hopefully anyway. Let's see. And let that sit there for a little while, and I'll come back to you shortly. You can almost see that evaporating. If you look very carefully, you can see the clouds of it coming off the car. So agitate it a bit. Like I say, hopefully the tampons will stay put. There was quite a big layer of this on the hood. Now there isn't. It's coming off quite nicely. So fingers crossed. Come back to it in a minute. Right then, this has been left for about half an hour. And I don't know if you can see through the side, but this seems to have worked. All the purple's in the paint now. As you can see, that's quite good. Ow, 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 it's gone into my little cut on my knuckle. Right then, let's get some more kitchen roll. Right then, let's have a look. Blimey, there's no signs of that at all on there now. There's still a few stains in the paint by the look of it. You saw the start of it. A bit of IPA on there now. From there in the rear lights. Sadly, the marker pen seems to have stained some of the paint. It's been soaking for about half an hour in that, but for the most part, it is gone. I'm quite impressed with that, to be honest. There's still some left on the bottom of the bumper. You can see the purpley tinge there. Still some coming off. But that's nothing compared to how it was. And as you saw at the start, it was, my fingers are really sticky, completely covered in permanent marker. If you're going to do this on your own vehicles, I would advise testing the IPA on a bit of the car that you can't see, just in case. As you'll see here, the wheels on this thing, the chrome's gone from the middle, and that was because I didn't try the WD-40 on something first. The WD-40 I was using for my first attempt at cleaning it actually took the chrome off the wheels, which was a little bit annoying, but there we go. So it's not perfect, but certainly a lot better than it was. So there you go, guys. Isopropyl alcohol, IPA, rubbing alcohol, anything like that. if you've got permanent marker and possibly some other types of marker, it just dissolves it on contact by the look of it. Good stuff. Check back here, I'll be doing another car, removing the inky stuff in a few videos time when I get round to them. So thanks for watching. Toodles.